Hi, welcome to KAD-TECH and welcome to AutoCAD 3D Tutorial 2. Before we begin, let's open the AutoCAD application. I already opened my AutoCAD application. You can use any version of AutoCAD that you have available. For this tutorial, I will be using AutoCAD 2022. Over the years, I have created several 3D projects using AutoCAD, and in this tutorial, I'll be sharing the fundamentals to help you get started with 3D modeling. So let's begin by creating a new drawing. Once AutoCAD is open, click New and select a template to start your project. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create the most common 3D solid objects using AutoCAD. These basic solid objects are the foundation of 3D modeling and are essentials for creating more advanced design. By the end of this video, you will be able to create box, cylinder, sphere, cone, and wedge. Before we begin, make sure your workspace is set to 3D modeling. To check, go to the workspace switcher at the bottom right corner of your screen and select 3D modeling. Next, set your view cube to SW isometric using the view cube. This allows us to clearly see our 3D objects. Let's begin with the box command. There are two ways to activate it. Click box from the Home tab under the modeling panel, or type box in the command line and press enter. Now, follow these steps. First, click anywhere in the drawing area to define the first corner. Move your mouse and click again to define the length and width. Then move upward to specify the height. You can also type a value such as 50 and press enter. Press your mouse wheel to pan the object to the other side. Now let's create a cylinder. Type cylinder and press enter. First, specify the center point of the base. Next, define the radius. Then specify the height. This creates a 3D cylinder. Cylinders are commonly used for columns, pipes, and mechanical parts. Next is the sphere. Type sphere. Enter. Click to specify the center point. Then define the radius. AutoCAD will generate a perfect 3D sphere. To create a cone, type cone. Specify the center point. Enter the base radius. Then specify the height. This creates a tapered solid object. Now let's create a wedge. Type wedge. Just like the box command, define the first corner, set the length and width, specify the height. A wedge creates an angle solid shape. To better view your solid objects, change the visual style. Go to View, Change 2D wireframe to shaded or shaded with edge. You can also orbit your model by holding Shift plus mouse wheel. This allows you to inspect your solids from all angles. To recap, in this tutorial, we learned how to prepare the 3D workspace, how to create box, cylinder, sphere, a cone, and a wedge, and how to view solid objects using visual styles. These are the basic solid objects used in AutoCAD 3D modeling. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to modify solid objects using commands like move, rotate, union, and subtract. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. God bless!